say Kabono Kaka. Tiwe Bini message be about
message be about that the Takra there play
a helicopter for
helicopter. Is it not too small to what's me from bro? Is it not too small to hold 21 passengers?
Sir.
Unshadoda.
Sir, almost no more than the normal 21.
Yeah, helicopter. Young fan.
Maybe who pictures.
The pictures.
Helicopter
too smaller. And you will be could be more than another.
A buy. Diabolism. Madam Jason.
But
I don't fear me for him, Crassifana, because Ufia by for him,
no, but I don't. Honestly, I still do not understand. Or a helicopter, another because also was in Nipper 20, and you will made it.
Picture now, no, say be a picture now, any who and yet the entire way say no, to me try.
Into a helicopter also. Hey, now you poor the private uncle, the private jet to go where you not in pool. Offer define. One was I
you know, Casa. You
one Chebiano, I asked you a chair of Fefro.
Oh, dear,
they'll call you.
Yeah, I am used to sign your manual.
The actual person as a for on floor. Then you get ghosts and our friend zombies calling you.
I am used to.
Yes. Yeah. Into your trendy. Or the statement to grab which is him. They know emergency landing. This is a real who are and that's no who be. They claim the family Wakowaro.
I almost say a Wakowari lady Bia, Chese, the girl no, sorry, the girlfriend, some are Debra Conconseni. And the girl no, and I will cry on the baby mamma no cry.
Bridget Tajiman.
Was shown the girl, maybe Musuche, not maybe social media trends, Mayana.
Nadia, okay, but one dressed in the year or the course civil lady. What kind of normal, I mean, normally, I started in for
all you know. It means one more
and then people are just but social media trends
a credible
source
blogger who you can't doubt.
Credible source.
Yes, you can't doubt in the
because
story.
Because one episode when you know about nobody will find out.
Exactly.
But whatever it is, if it's true, say a hand here or baba. Because they claim there's a secret marriage. I'm the social media and say, Babaka. So if it's true, then our friend, Tabranti,
Abranti,
Azamati,
Benjamin,
or give him false hope that finally he'll go and do something. You're fifth local Kodi, Medaluko Yanjibi.
Oh, but Rose, I'm one of miles and wine. Rose, no, what 10 gold.
No, be an Rose. Or Azamati, gold medals. Why as a teen him there? 100 meters, the whole African John or to John, and ye yard in John Podi, Yenya gold in silver. The fifth.
So I didn't have no body.
Oh, so he was fifth in the men's 100 meters final, but he dusted himself off. No, 4x100 relay, no. Or what him you qualify, but still him. No, to go the fifth. Rose, I had the high jump.
Yes, Grace, your friends, Rose, I did. Near Montpellier.
Rose, I had
my sister. Rosie.
And that's what who picture descending. You know, young boy, I was why the pianist. When I was a paper,
maybe picture me
and then you were friend. We are getting his lookalikes.
President said, yes.
US-based Ghanaian pianist, Professor Jude Kofi, who is 12 years old.
Okay.
He has won the most inspiring pianist of the year award at the maiden edition of the prestigious Piano Awards. Into the Piano Awards, it aims to celebrate the achievements of pianists in various genres worldwide, including classical, pop, jazz, contemporary, and social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Piano na piano na 12 years old. And the event also recognizes original compositions and honors the most inspiring pianists of the year. Into Jude Kofi beat a strong competition from notable contenders, including blind and neurodivergent teen pianist Lucy, Miki Sawada. Worldwide. No, beating her, you know.
Contest here, young guy, 12-year-old.
And what is inspiring about Jude's story in there? He was born with a heart defect, or sounds autistic.
Hey.
Amazing. Pay attention to detail. Smart. First, in this day and age, or they shoot. They could just call one. I will about or join you on that journey.
But I will go very good, eh?
Story be a meti.
Don't go and
our friend is saying no, see you do Kijan Kwan.
Bank of
Odin coach baby or something.
I'm Masanaba.
Naroko infant. I see you see Dacro Pramado.
The Baba. Jude. His rise to fame began in 2023. Last year, when his remarkable talent caught the attention of a piano tuner who gifted him a piano after being impressed with his self-taught skills. Since then, we appear on the Kelly Clarkson show. When your mentorship na di nyina wo ho enti Jude why add the intro comment you say it's giving a certain politician's vibe, but I can't mention it because this person anything as a president, you see, I brought you from Kwadani confidence. Oh, thank you to Jude. Today you say, Massa, or moi. Omisha space dia obuao na niti enso so kakra dia jai. Congratulations dear.
Madam.
Obviously he looks like Dr. Baumia. You see then. We can combine it. Nana Kufuor and Dr. Baumia in one person. Okay. But Jude has really done well. American Benjamin Azamati is trending because I never want to go. Now Auntie Rose so Sister Rose so trend because on the yard. But funny face. No could propose actually when she. I don't know. It's not a proper word. So funny face after watching a lovely video of Wendy Shea singing one of her sweet tunes, instantly fell in love with her. So the comedian took to the comment section of Wendy Shea's video posted on her Instagram page and wrote, because of this song, I'm going to marry you at Wendy Shea Official. I will give you $50 million.
Okay. $50.
Yeah, I know that what boy I know about my own $50 million. Now Range Rover
against you,
Range Rover is only $1 million in yes. Remember, we are all from Ko. Asasia Bain, Yentijai. So the haters can't come to our wedding. They can't climb the mountain. So when they posted, other people also commented, you are my favorite artist. I love you so much. When I come to South Africa, please concentrate because no or drive and or to no your video. Please concentrate when driving and you can catch an at Germany.
That's one also cry recently on accidents.
And Mary, it is very risky behavior. So these are some of the stories that are trending.
On social media. Message your mother, but and I world around.